folks, Rosa here for RWA Fishing. Well, look at me. This is a new adventure for me. I am out on a kayak and I'm fishing one of the well-known rivers for bass and snakeheads because there's a lot of pads and grass and stuff. It's a rental because I really don't have any place to keep my own kayak. I kept telling myself, no, one day I'm going to rent a kayak and I'm going to come out here and see what I can catch. But folks, unfortunately the place doesn't open until 10 o'clock, so it's already pretty late in the day, in the morning rather. And probably if I do get anything, it may be snakeheads, which I won't be disappointed with that. But who knows, there may be some nice bass also lurking under some of the cover that I find. Well folks, join me on my kayak adventure. Let's see how it goes. Alright folks, out on the kayak again. Let's get to that pad field. It's kind of late in the morning because the place doesn't open until 10. And the tide is pretty low right now. It's going to be a few hours before it starts to move again. So hopefully I can still find some active fish. Let's make a few casts here. Start with this frog. Hey, first one. All right, there we go. Oh yeah. Let's see what we got. Snakehead. What's in that? Oh, this is a good size one too. Oh man. Stay hooked, buddy. Stay hooked. You got me stuck on this pad here. All right. There you go. He's going crazy now. Let's get some more line out so he won't break my rod tip. There we go. Okay, now how to deal with this rascal. You know, I saw the wake going too. Yeah. Oh man, he's going nuts. There we go. Let's see, how am I doing? This we can knock him unconscious. I might edit that part out. Alright guys, my first kayak fish is a nice snakehead. Let's get a weight on him. Get the scale zeroed. Let's get this. Zero it again. Oh, he's not dead yet. He's not done yet. He's not done yet. I got the scale zeroed. I thought I knocked him unconscious for good. He's not done yet. All right, 4 pounds, 13 ounces. Now, let's see if I can get a picture of him. Now, let's see if I can get the hook out of him. He choked that thing. Got it. Got him on the Teckel Frog. Oh, he's not dead. Okay, wrap that sucker again. He's not done yet. Excuse me, folks. That rascal's got a harder head than a teenager. Well, my first one came on this Honker Frog. I think I accidentally called it a Teckel. I'm not sure. I'll review the footage. In my excitement, I might have called it a Teckel, but it's a Honker Frog. And as you can see, it's probably the only frog that can get through this tight stuff without hanging up. So look how close the hooks are into the body. Now that has the potential to cause hookup ratio problems, but it can get through better than any of my other frogs. So as a fish bites it, it's pretty soft, so it's supposed to hooks when he bites down on it. And I didn't miss the hook set on that snakehead, so that wasn't a problem. He bit down on it good. There we go. And I'm using this slot as an anchor. Just hope I didn't disturb anything coming in it. swim bait first this time. Got a swirl there. I wonder what it was. I think this was a secluded spot will be hiding a fish or two in there. Oh, something blew up on it. Missed it though. Let's get back out there. Come on. Go back. Go back and get he got it. Can I kill him? Oh man, he's got me down in there. If I kick him, I hope he's on there. Is he on there? I don't even know if he's still on there. Can't tell. He definitely came back for it though. I would be truly amazed if he's still on there. Let's get the tension up though. He got it off, folks. Let's see if we can get the frog back. Let's get the frog back. Alright, we gotta go. Folks, I had a blast and I can really see why people love fishing from a kayak. The perspective of hooking a big fish from a kayak is so different from fishing from the bank or the shore or even a boat. Tell you, when that first rascal hit, he exploded on that thing. Oh my goodness, and I set the hook. Man, I think he was, what, 4 pounds, 13 ounces, I think. Feeling his head shake, dragging him through those pads, and you know how I love fishing the thick pads. And also, that my first kayak fish is also my PB snakehead. He beat it by, what, I think 11 or 12 ounces, something like that. But I think I'm going to do a catch and cook. So if I said that before, but this time I think I will. I think this time I'll have time to actually prepare it. So folks, hopefully there will be a video following this on me cooking my first snakehead and doing the taste test and see how it goes. I doubt very much if I can get my family to brave tasting it. They're a little bit squeamish about things they haven't tried before, but who knows, they are fish lovers like I am, so hey, I might get to share it with the family. That'd be great. Oh, but that second one got away. I can tell it wasn't as big as the first one. I think maybe that's why I didn't get a good hook set. You know, as vicious as they can be, their mouths are actually pretty small, so that's probably why I didn't get a good hook set. It's something, he missed it just under the pads, so I cast back out there and dug on it. He went right back after it. I had him probably for a couple of seconds, but the hook came out and then stuck in the stalk of one of the pads. I was hoping I still had it, but it got off. But that's okay. Those kind of things happen. But folks, like I said, I had a blast. This was great. Fortunately, it's a rental, and they don't open until 10 o'clock. So a lot of the prime fishing hours have already gone by then. Didn't see any bass or anything. I figured after 10 o'clock, during this kind of weather, they probably retreated to deeper waters by then. So I figured the only thing I would find active would be snakeheads, and I'm not complaining about that. So this time, I think I will get to actually see how they taste. But folks, I want to say thanks for watching RWA Fishing, and thanks for coming along on my first kayak fishing catch. Tell you, it was so much fun, so much fun. Which makes me wish I had a place I could keep a kayak of my own. But unfortunately, the storage room is full. I'm an apartment dweller, and I'm quite certain my wife won't let me keep a kayak in the living room. But folks, thanks for watching RWA Fishing. Hey, and remember to hit that subscribe button and follow it up by the bell notification. And those two always like to include a thumbs up for catching my first kayak fish and also my PB snakehead. That thumbs up will be greatly appreciated. Well folks, thanks for watching RWA Fishing, and God bless you.